and a peace council, and I say, yeah, the peace council. I'm saying, yeah, me peace pact. Na the chairman of NDC, Asiedu Nketia, Eko can say me say on sign. Na me bisa bibi, hey, mo answer me. Yeah, we Asiedu. Who sanya? Who cares? Me say, one sanya, who cares? And yeah, no, NDC MPP, you feel you own Ghana, you don't own Ghana. I'm telling you, you don't own Ghana. The peace of Ghana cannot be toyed with by any of you. I'm making it clear. Hello. And then, maybe some. Me a Ghananii. Also a Ghananii ana. Yes. But the same program be say fire time. Yes, I don't joke. Na election eba. Yen nyina hwa. Ye kasa Ghana ye were crossroads. This is a decisive election year because your former president John Mahama oye come back. And your vice president, certain vice president, Yerabomia, I also present or be assigned to the what? The highest throne on the land. That's the presidency. Now you share tension now. I say a mountain, and now what to say? Or try what to say now? And now peace council, and I say, oh, yeah, the peace council. I'm say, yeah, me say peace pact. Now no, the chairman of NDC, Asiedu Nketia, Eko can say me say on sign. Eh asamo ena jo mama say sa asem ni ko kan no eh ono asem but niam bi wo eso muka na mi bisa bibi hey mo answer me ye we Asiedu unsanya who cares me say one sanya who cares yeah no NDC MPP you feel you own Ghana, you don't own Ghana. I'm telling you don't own Ghana. The peace of Ghana cannot be toyed with by any of you. I'm making it clear. Neither the MPP or the NDC, you cannot hold Ghana to ransom. Yes, and your strategy when MPP was in opposition, no beating war drums. NDC, opposition, they are beating war drums. It won't work. It won't work. Ghanaians are descending. They are descending enough to know now who is advocating for peace. So who is here doing peace? Now a banner a ball in the kuwa. Do I care? I don't care. I don't care because maybe I make said, yep. No Kokache said the president is a fool. No, yes. You na kokae. Now you see, you can say we a penny and your age, and your age. They be a come see any age. And your nyanse Philippine chimuba. Nyanse ni asemo beka. And no na who say papa we wenyi ana say sebe age keke na wo dan so but adwini swa. Yes. Because Ghana baby yedu no. Ye hear backward thinking people like him. Ye hear forward people thinking. After all, 2 minutes wo peno. E dey na mo de babaye. 2 minutes and this was MPP more panel. And then nobody Ghana since 1992. And then achievements have we achieved as a country. Country as sabi and ne ye risk school ye jumaye. Country a oba eco school a chabi 3 square meals a day on to me. Country a baby a mete for the past 1 year in Suoma a yakran a metio. Country a rose enye. Country are even their basic healthcare yet to me assess it. Is that the country you are proud of? And is that the power that you want? Oh God damn it. Masa take time. Na mo ya na obi ampa de chaw. Onsan onyai. Opon kwashepo. O unsan ye jai. Opa ensan. Ultimate not focus on Ghana, I'm telling you. Because Ghanaians, the peace that we have, we will protect it with our lives. I'm telling you. Hey, if Openibia there, and I'm daring you people, say Obia there so bad trouble, we will protect the peace we have with our lives. I'm telling you. Yes, I do. Why your statement clear? Or say politicians, no, or be a baby rough, or no be Facebook for boots. Massa, abanye kwakoto ye kwokira adwen na adwen kwakokye no afede threat ne ye de ko edi ne this process has been going on since 92 every 4 years bi amudi yensu etu jam adan jimie no ekwa na enti ye ndu ba bia be ka se Ghana ye kwakoye election soldier for cry enter barracks police for cry mu wo mu fie na ye ntu aba peaceful enye sa na nipa ye won nyansa ye be heavy. Does it mean say every 4 years Ghana we have to in a peace? What a stupid nation. I'm sorry to say. Yes. And more pen de bia you have to match them. Because ye nipa after since 1992 aka time we ye kwato aba a peaceful. Ye kwa no kwato aba na kwa fie ni obedi no ni nyina ye di nachi. Sa na ye enye pesimikunya aka we besi. Now for me about the main topic in so. Share NDC, MPP, they had the chance to change the constitution of Ghana. Yes. Threat ni una koni nyina no. Ma me sure say ne. 2 teams ever bebo ball. Ghana nyansam any the famous of so-called constitution no. Nyansam mutimi nya ya ne say yema team ni no mkoto amkwakọ ball no back to su referee. Aha. Now oh yes so when somebody trusts you, yeah, your constitution now, the power is vested in the presidency. Now but John Mahama by one who say sa power we change. You were Kufuor, you were lawyer who say sa dey we enye. Na musu. It's a way back. No abeka bia no ko but at assembly wo na some ka say constitution ni nya papa ne de Asiedu Nketia on kan niam ehu hia na obeka sad before someone say the constitution is not proper but don't talk about it na Asiedu me hwe manim ye I'm sounding a word of caution to you so wonnim na wo yet say obe cause trouble massa unni ye we will call on God himself to punish you and your whole generation. Whoever will cause problem this election, say even one blood is shed this election, God will punish you and your entire generation. Me both here ne. Na makap waguso. Wa me say wa obema nipa baako ewu this election no. I call on the name of Jehovah God to punish you and your entire generation who will not die. Because Ghana is not for you. Ghana baby edu no, we don't need threats. You hear people who are thinkers, not people who come and give us threats. The youth, tell something to them, tell them something. Say start threats and then fire. Who are policies are fabula. When we buy into it, we will vote for you. When we don't buy it, we will vote you out. Yes, many abrepa. Mama stop it. Why here? Mekani enka. I expose you, HFM Bruce. We shall have from here. Major Sman West, bye bye.